Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Listen to God.
So once again, good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Do we have any absentees today?
No, ma'am.
That's good. So before we proceed to our discussion, bring up first our classroom rules. Everybody, please read.
Lesson activity. Raise your right hand if you want to answer. Participate and cooperate in activity.
Can I speak to the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Today, we have an activity called Spot the Difference. Each row, this row is group 1 and this row is group 2. So, you're going to do a spot the difference of this picture that I showed you. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the first picture is this one. Please raise your right hand if you want to understand. Okay, Christelle.
The third is third.
So what is the difference of the pictures?
The third picture, number 1 is stop. The other one. And the other one is walang
Okay. So another picture. This one. What is the difference? Yes, Vivian?
Ano, the first image is represent ng secretary to nasa yung take, then the second one is having a good hygiene in terms of footwear.
Okay, very good. So another one. Yes,
The first picture, ma'am, it consists with a boy having a bad color. Then the second one is with proper hygiene.
okay, very good. So based on our activity, what is our topic today? Anyone? Yes, Vivian?
I think when we reach to the pictures, our topic for today is all about hygiene.
Okay, very good. So our topic today was all about developing self-management skills of proper hygiene. So everyone, listen to me as we start our discussion. But before that, let's have first another activity. So before that, let's have read our learning activities. Please read everyone.
At the end of the lesson, the pupils should be able to explain the importance of practicing proper hygiene for health and self-management, appreciate the value of maintaining personal hygiene, demonstrate proper hygiene techniques in role-play activities.
Okay, so let's have our activity. So this envelope have a mystery activity. So this is for group 1 and this is for group 2. So choose one representative to explain it in front. I will give you 20 minutes to answer. Okay, group 1, please explain your answer.
Good morning, everyone. I am the representative of Group 1. So, our task is to identify the picture if it is a proper ID or improper ID. After you answer, so, first is the proper ID. The proper ID in this column is called the girl is batting or coming here. Then second is brushing. And the improper ID is the man we have a good bad odor and also the girl, and the last one is the girl having a bad breath.
Okay, thank you very much, group 1. And how about group 2?
Maria went to school without taking a bath and forgot to wash her hands before eating her lunch. Later that day, she started to feel itchy and uncomfortable. Her classmates also noticed a bad smell and avoided using their fear. Question: what happened? Maria forgot to wash her hands before eating
bacteria. Okay, thank you. Give Rachel a pasabog ka. You know how to do that, guys?
No, ma'am.
Like this, please stand. 1, 2, 3. Pasabog. Okay, since we all understand each have another an activity, I have here an envelope. So in the same group, you'll receive an envelope. After answering, please paste it on the board and choose one representative to explain here and from. I will give you 15 minutes. correct answer. So, why should we practice proper hygiene every day? A. To stay healthy and avoid sickness. B. To make friends only. C. To skip school. D. To look fancy. Number 2. How long should you wash your hands with soap? A. 5 seconds. B. 20 seconds. C. 1 minute. D. 10 seconds. Are you done?
Now,
Number 3. How many times should you brush your teeth each day? Once a week, B. Twice a week, C. Only at night, D. Once in the morning. Number 4. Which of these is a good body hygiene habit? A. Taking a bath every day. B. Wearing dirty clothes. C. Sharing towels with others. D. Taking showers. Number 5. What is one benefit of practicing good hygiene? A. Stay healthy and confident. B. Eat sick more often. C. Waste water. D. Look untidy. Are you done?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 1. So, number 1 is sleep instead.
Why should we practice proper hygiene every day? A.
Okay, very good. Letter A. Number 2 is read Ria.
How long should you wash your hands with soap? 1 hour. B.